Hi guys, it's John here, the head of trading at AudaCity Capital. Hope you're all well. Okay, so in this video, I'll be talking about also one of our traders on the funded trader program who actually hit his 10% today, going from managing a $15,000 trading book to now progressing to level 2, which is the $30,000 account. This person is Mahu Ram, and this is his statement for the last 12 days. So he came on board with us on the 1st of June. That's when he joined the Fund the Trader program with us. As you can see, the deposit date. And this person clearly, from what we can see at first sight, specializes in trading the pound yen. I love to call it the dragon because of the way it moves. And to be honest with you, we could tell by the results how volatile it is. Okay, very, very volatile. So just basically, if we think about it, 2 weeks of trading. 2 weeks of trading. That's the duration. That is the time period it took Mafu to hit his 10%. Okay, so again, 10% could be done in 1 week, in 2 weeks, in 2 months, in just under a month, in just under 3 months. At the end of the day, it's very achievable, it's very possible, and it's very doable. Now, the good thing is about the last 2 weeks, and this was actually what gave a push to the majority of our traders on the program to hit target or to recover their losses, was the volatility in the markets, especially on the sterling pairs. The pound pairs for the last 2 weeks have been very interesting in terms of the movements. We've had a good trends on the way up, and good buying opportunities, and then a massive drop over the last couple of days, just after the FOMC meeting on Wednesday night. So the opportunity was given in the market on the back of the volatility, and that's what we need as traders to make money. And for someone to be in a position to take advantage of such volatility in the markets at the right time with the right currency pair, trading at the right volume, you can make 10% in a very short space of time, and there it is in front of you. Matu did it in just 2 weeks, 10 trading days to be exact. So let's go through it. It's very short, sweet. I like to call this a clean sheet, a clean statement of trading. So clearly, one currency pair, pound yen, the dragon, as a nickname for it. Exposure, the maximum is 0.5. He opened one at 0.6 because he was doing quite well. So the risk management team allowed him to increase the exposure. It was that big win over here that made the difference. Okay, so for those of you who say, oh, 0.5 is too small, can we open more than 0.5? Why on earth would we say no to someone who wants to increase their exposure if they're making money in the markets? It's good for you, it's good for us. We're happy to accommodate that, and there you have it, right in front of you. We've allowed it to happen. 0.6. Okay, so this person over here started out not very well, but then recovered. Okay, made some good gains, and pretty much worked his way up to hit 10%. It is not that difficult. And look, sell opportunities. Okay, sell opportunities since after the Fed meeting. That's where the big wins came in. Okay, maybe this one buy trade here, but it was mainly the sell that got the results. Now, what I can say about this person as a trader is he's specialized in a currency pair. He understands how it moves, as in where to buy, where to sell. Couple of pending orders, but the majority was manual execution. Okay. Again, a lot of people out there, just to talk about that, a lot of people out there think in order to be a trader or in order to make 10%, to trade the financial markets, you have to trade everything. You have to look at all the currency pairs, the majors, the crosses, and you just make life difficult for yourself. I'm not saying it's wrong to keep your options open on the radar. I'm not saying that. It's good. However, if you feel that you could just trade one currency pair very, very profitably, and you just understand how it moves, and you kind of know when to be looking to get in and get out of positions, you could just specialize in that one currency pair and make money on it. Because at the end of the day, you're looking at one thing, you know what you're looking for, you're focused, and you're basically using your exposure on that one pair to catch the move. And as you can see, it's it's just going to be a nice, clean statement. Some people can look at many pairs and keep up and switch from one time frame to another and from one pair to another. But people like Matthew, I would say, uh, you know, there's no shame in doing that, in just looking at one currency pair. So a lot of people would look at this and say, well, this person's not a trader, or he can only trade one currency pair. That doesn't classify him as a trader. At the end of the day, I just want to remind you all of something. Making money is making money. If you can make money just trading one currency pair, then so be it. If you could make money trading all 28 currency pairs, great. It's all about making money at the end of the day. It's all about hitting your 10%, not trying to show off your trading skills. It's all about just trying to hit 10% to get paid and have your account doubled. So, 2 weeks. Congratulations. Account doubled and paid. Now let's see how long it will take Matthew to go from 30,000 to 60,000. What I can say is, from the way the markets are moving at the moment, the volatility we have, the opportunities on the horizon, might take him another 2 weeks, more or less. Let's see what happens. All the best for now.